Well, I'm working on a boat trailer this evening, and I'm doing a lot of work to this trailer. But one of the things that I've run across is the cap is missing for this jack. Now, I can't find any real identifying marks on this thing. So, I want to put a cap on it. I don't want it to be exposed to the elements. The guy that I just bought this boat and trailer from, he had a piece of duct tape across the top of it. And it worked to keep the weather out, but it didn't look great. So what I'm gonna do is I took a chance and I went on Amazon and I looked up trailer jack cap. And this is what came up. Fulton is the name on this thing. And it fits really well. So you can see it's got these two notches on it. So I don't know, if you guys are working on something like this, I don't know if this would be a distinguishing mark for you, but this cap has got a hole in one side and a little plug on the other side. It would have been probably better. I think I remember seeing these on Amazon that came with a screw. This one did not, but a 7/16 bolt looks like it's going to thread into that plastic okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop that in there. Let's see, do it this way. That thing sits in there, I mean, real well. So I'm going to get my little 7/16 bolt. And this is quarter 20. It's actually 1/4 inch diameter, 20 threads per inch, but it is 7/16 per inch is what works on this. And that thing looks like it's just going to thread right in there. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. And it's actually threading into the plastic, but it's up against the metal just a little bit, which is a really good thing. Now I'm not going to want to over tighten this because it'll pull the threads right through that plastic. So we just want to snug this thing up. Just barely snug. That should hold it on there. So we got a cap on our jack now. It looks a whole lot better. It looks a heck of a lot better than that duct tape, I can tell you that. I hope I helped you with this one, guys. If I did, click that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, me working on this boat trailer or working on the boat that goes on it, click the subscribe button. Until the next time, keep on tinkering.